Hey there, movie and art lovers. Ever wondered how you can create breathtaking Disney Pixar movie posters using AI, and that too, absolutely for free? Well, you're in for a treat, because that's exactly what we're diving into today.
First, open your web browser and search for Diagram AI on Google. Visit the Diagram AI website and create an account using your Gmail credentials. In the prompt bar, enter a description like the one I'm using. Pixar style a cute cartoon of a little boy wearing a black hoodie with the word gum. Brown eyes, long black hair, requested as a poster, photo, or 3D render in a fashion theme. Feel free to select a specific style if you prefer, then click on the Generate button and patiently wait for the results. If you like the generated image, simply download it. If it doesn't meet your requirements, you can choose to regenerate it. Let's move to the next AI tool. Open Leonardo AI. Click on AI Image Generation. Paste your prompt, select 3D animation style, and click on the Generate button. Simply download this image, add a movie title and a logo to it using Canva or any photo editing app, and then proceed to the next AI tool. Go to Google, search for CArt, open the website, and create a free account. Simply paste your prompt, then click the Generate button and wait for the rendering results. Now download and edit it. Let's move to the next tool. Open the Bing image generator and paste your prompts. There are numerous AI tools available on the internet, and this video is meant to expand your horizons. With AI, you can accomplish a wide range of creative tasks. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. Stay connected with us for regular updates on the latest AI tools and techniques.